Alright, today we're doing a simple, quick project to update the look of the front end of my 1986 Jag. Now, this isn't a car I fully introduced on the channel yet because I'm a slacker, and there's a full overview video of this car coming, I promise, but today I'm going to do something I've been wanting to do for a bit. Originally, these came with dual 5 3/4 lights up front, and then thankfully the prior owner changed this to a 7-inch outer lamp, which looks better in my opinion. If it's dual 5 3/4, I think it looks a little odd. So I have a 7-inch round here. At one point I swapped in the yellow driving, well, these aren't really driving lights. Technically this is the high beam. I wish it was a driving lamp. But I love black and gold, so what I'm gonna do, I sourced some lights online, and how could I say no to these? I mean, it's a cat for the cat. So this is a simple change. It's literally a few screws, pop this one out, pop this one in. So let's get started. So the first screw was a simple flat screw for the outer trim ring. The 3 inner screws on the adjusting and retaining ring are a Phillips, and I was using the little guy, but it wasn't grabbing on 2 of the 3 screws, so sometimes you're just going to jump to the big dog and take it out. Headlights are easy. It's just a plug in the back. On these Marchals, plug is in the back. Now this is a famous French brand that isn't really around anymore, but it was bought by a Japanese company. There goes some literature. So you can still get them as new, but it is not the original, the old school Marchals, but I'm okay with that. I can live without that. That looks pretty cool. All right, let's get the trim ring back on. I'm gonna adjust it first to where the trim ring is supposed to go, and then once I get it lightly screwed in, I'll adjust it so the little cat head is facing the right direction. Well, I eventually got this stupid screw in. For some reason it's going in weird, but that's because it's a Jag and whatever. Ooh, stickers. So I'm just gonna finish up the other side, then we'll take a look at the car when it's all done.